CUAHSI Jupyterhub offers a range of environments for users based on their needs. This video will cover launching an environment and then exiting that environment and entering another. Note that in order to use CUAHSI's compute services, you must join the HydroShare Cloud Computing Group. Once you have joined the Cloud Computing Group, all CUAHSI compute services will be available to you. You can either enter the launcher interface by launching Jupyterhub from the apps page in HydroShare like I am doing, or by entering jupyterhub.cuahsi.org in the browser. You may have to sign into HydroShare before entering the launcher, and you may have to authorize the app. Once in the launcher, you'll see a number of different environments to choose from, such as Python, R, RStudio, SUMA Modeling, WRF Hydro, Next-Gen National Water Model Modeling Framework, CSDMS Workbench, HydroLearn, and a USGS course environment. Our Python, R, and RStudio environments are stable and robust general-purpose environments for research and education, and for running code that is stored in HydroShare. They are recommended for first-time users and cover a large swath of scientific use cases. They have many of the essential scientific libraries pre-installed. The remaining environments are the result of ongoing collaborations between CUAHSI and other research teams. We will select Python and click Start. Once in the environment, you can make a number of selections, including opening a new Jupyter notebook or launching the terminal. There will be a future video that provides a tour of all of the different elements and tools in CUAHSI Jupyter Lab. For the purposes of this video, I will open a new notebook and give a brief demonstration of the pre-installed Python libraries. As you can see, I can import matplotlib, pandas, and numpy without issue. Say that I have done some analysis in my Python environment and now I want to work in R. I need to exit this environment. I will go to File, Hub Control Panel, and click Stop My Server. After a moment, you will see that it has stopped, and you can now select Start Server. You will be brought back to the original launcher interface to select a new environment. I will select R, and once it starts up, I'll open a new notebook. Your storage is persistent in Jupyterhub, so you'll be able to see and open all of the notebooks and files you could see in your Python environment. But if you tried to open a Python notebook and work in it, you would see that the essential libraries are not available. Here, as you can see in the top right corner, the kernel is R. And that is an overview of how you switch between environments and CUAHSI Jupyterhub. If you have any questions, please see the documentation linked in the description of the video or reach out to help@cuahsi.org.